Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from the Philips and Wipro and other important companies. So if you are the freshers or some experience, then this video gonna very important for you. Okay, so let me discuss all the job with you. First important opportunity that is from the Philips. They are hiring for the role of field service engineer, and last day to apply is March 28th. So tomorrow will be last date. So make sure to apply as soon as possible. And again saying apply with updated resume. So this will responsibility, you will deliver technical support, document service activities, track the record and all those stuff. So who are interest means eligible for this, you should have minimum high school diploma or vocational education or bachelor degree in engineering. Means if you have BTech background or medical science or related field, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. This will be the preferred skill. You should have knowledge of technical documentation, service operations and all those. So this is a wonderful opportunity. So this is a, you can say, hybrid based job. You have to come at least 3 days in office and 2 days you can work from home. So this is wonderful opportunity. Next opportunity from the Wipro career, they are hiring for the role of associate, and this is also wonderful opportunity. Remember, freshers to 6 month experience can apply. So I will suggest for 2026 don't apply for that. 2025 you can apply. 2024 you all can apply, and this is a wonderful opportunity. So there will be your responsibility. So if this is the means, what is the requirement is just you should have bachelor degree, okay, and you should have typing speed and other stuff, you can go through it. Okay, so this is a non-technical profile, remember. Okay, not the developer position. Next important opportunity, they are hiring the intern. A stipend is 30K plus cloud max subscriptions, and job location is Bangalore. So this is a wonderful opportunity. If you are interested in AI related job and want to gain the internship, then multiple companies are hiring. Okay, so next model from sagepilot AI, they are hiring for the role of AI implementation intern. So for applying, just open this link in new tab, okay, and you will basically go through all those details and just apply for this. This is a wonderful opportunity, and you can go through a complete link. Okay, what are the requirements? So they are requiring ML, AI, NLP, and prompt engineering. You know this future will be the AI. Okay, so these are the various company you can apply. Next opportunity from HAI. So this opportunity I've already shared, I think previously. This is also from the platform well found, and they are hiring and salary up to 10 LPA, 10 to 16 LPA. So this is wonderful opportunity, you can apply. Moving to next important opportunity from the Omnious Solutions, they are hiring for the role of monster developer intern on site Mohali. And what you will get 1 month hands-on training, paid training completion certificates, and you will work on real client projects. So this is a wonderful opportunity. You can just go through it. So if you're interested in MERN, means MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js, then this is a wonderful opportunity for this. Next important and last important. So before giving the last important opportunity, let me, friends, give you the important update that finally TCS have announced the results. So if you have been selected for interview and want to schedule mock interview with us, then you can schedule with us. We will provide you dedicated guidance and support, which will basically boost your confidence in real interview. अगर आप चाहते हैं तो schedule कर सकते हैं mock interview, and we will also basically figure out, or we will do the resume review too. So last opportunity के बारे में बात करते हैं, that is from the Kindryl. They are hiring for the role of professional career at Kindryl. Okay, and this will the job profile: IT system and automation analyst intern. So freshers from 2025 can apply. Also 2026 if you want to apply. So these are the requirement. You can just go through it, SAP, CRM, and all those stuff. So these are the important opportunity you can apply. Dear friends, please support us as a subscriber so that you will not miss any update. And any query if you have, feel free to ask me, comment here, or you can follow me at LinkedIn or Insta or whatever platform you are comfortable. You can just ask your query. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.